Hi, I'm Erica, and today we are talking about how the sign-up sheet system works when entering an estate sale. Estate sales often attract a lot of buyers. How companies get these buyers into the house to shop varies from company to company. One way you might encounter is a sign-up sheet. So how does it work? Like the number systems we covered in our other videos, the sign-up sheet system is used so that you don't have to stand in line to wait for the sale to open. When you arrive at the sale, there will be a list where you can write your name. This is very similar to when you put your name on a waiting list at a restaurant. Your place in the line will be noted by when you sign the list. This system allows you to leave and come back right before the sale starts. When you arrive back at the sale, you will line up in the order in which you are on the list, or the company will call your name to enter the sale. This is one of many ways companies get shoppers into their sales, though it is one of the more popular systems that you will encounter while estate sale shopping. Our next video will talk about the line system estate sale companies use for entering an estate sale.